No. Me no. As usual. Oh, daddy, forgive. No. Alright. Fair enough. If I even forgive her, I'm certainly not going to forget. Okay? Alright. But I tell you something. Would you believe she asking for us to make up? Yeah man, what was the word? To reconcile. Me. When she run left the two away, not gonna happen. But anyway, enough about your mother. So, this co-worker. Well, alright. There's somebody who I kind of have interest in, right? She's not the best person ever. I mean, she's certainly better than your mother. And no, don't back answer me. Trust me. I know exactly what I say, right? But the problem is, she wants to be everything. Sometimes she wants to be a girlfriend. Sometimes she wants to act like a wife. Then she wants to be the co-worker. Then she wants to style me and go on like say she wants to boss me. And you know your father not take boss from nobody. I want to tell you, if you think it's strange, hear this part. After all of that, me find my way our house. 30 times I make visit, I make 20 calls, and now I can't find her. Me, I run behind her, man. Yeah. Funny. At my old age. Right. I ain't that old. But you know, I think you'd like her.
Coming straight from Jamaica. We call her the first lady because she's a queen. She's a real first lady. Yes. From Xpressionz family. Please make some noise for Shelly.
Thank you, Lola. Thank you guys, thank you so much for having me again. I do a whole lot of respect and love. Thank you so much. Guys, it's my second time. That's all my spirit is. Yeah.
This is indeed a pleasant surprise, Dr. Guys. It's so lovely to meet you. I've heard so much of the work you've done at Bartender Hospital. And Yui, not to mention what you've done at the hospital about holistic medicine, natural medicine. It's a pleasant. I'm just in awe. Okay. Marcus, hi.
Thanks for coming to the meeting, Maxine. At such short notice.
It was a pleasure. I mean, once my friend called, I have to show up.
Friend Maxine.
Well, Marcus, you know how we do.
That's true. It's so good to see you though.
Thank you. It's so nice to see you too.
you're looking good.
You're looking better.
The extended leave did wonders for me.
Funny you should say that.
Hold for a second. Marcus, I like to sit up here.